Okay, stop whatever you're doing right now, because what I'm about to show you, I genuinely didn't know how to feel about it the first time I saw it. Like, I've seen a lot of wild tech stuff. Boston Dynamics robots doing backflips. AI generating entire movies. But this hit different. There's a robot face out of China right now that doesn't just look human. It acts human, it blinks, it scans the room, it reacts to you. And when it smiles, honestly, it's a little unsettling. Not in a horror movie way. In a wait, is that actually a person kind of way? It's called the Origin F1, and we need to talk about it. So in March 2026, a robotics guy named Yu-Hong Hu just posted a video. No big announcement, no press event, just a clip of this robot head on X. And people lost it. Because in the video, she's not just sitting there, she's scanning the room, blinking, reacting. There are these tiny little expressions moving across her face that your brain just refuses to file under machine. It keeps saying, person, that's a person. The company that made her is called AheadForm, Chinese startup. And what they built isn't meant for factories or warehouses, it's meant to sit across from you and actually connect. The skin is warm silicone, not plastic, not rubber. And here's the part that got me, it's interchangeable. Different faces, different characters. AheadForm literally calls it new skins, new souls. Under the surface, there are micro motors firing constantly, creating blinks, emotional shifts, subtle reactions in real time. And the whole thing runs on a multimodal AI called Omni AI, meaning the robot can see you, hear you, and respond all at once. There's footage of it having an actual flowing conversation, and it doesn't feel like a chatbot. It feels like talking to someone. This also isn't AheadForm's first try. They dropped something called ELF V1 back in October 2025 with similar capabilities. The Origin F1 is just them going further, harder, more human. Here's what actually interests me about all this though. Everyone in robotics has been obsessed with one question for years. Can it do the job? Can it lift, walk, work? But AheadForm is asking something completely different. They're asking, can it connect? Because if you just need something to do physical tasks, a robotic arm is way cheaper. The humanoid form only makes sense, in homes, hospitals, service roles, if people actually feel comfortable around it. And for that, the face is everything. So here's where I land on this. The first time I watched that clip and she just slowly blinked at the camera, something in my head went, okay, we are actually doing this now. Whether it's exciting or unsettling probably depends on the day. Honestly, for me, it's both. Drop in the comments, does this feel like the future to you, or does it feel like we're moving too fast? I genuinely want to know. See you in the next one.